Lovelies, do you know I made good $200 in 4 days from a content that was repurposed? Hey everybody, welcome back to Immaculate Show channel. If you're looking for an easy way to make money online, then you need to start repurposing content. And in this video, I'll break down how I made over $200 in 4 days, not from a fresh content, but repurposed content using simple content repurposing strategies. And now I'll also be showing you how you can do the same. And please, I would love you to stick around because I'm also giving you a ready-to-use video idea that works. There are many people who always complain that they don't have content. Content is finished. Content is doing what? You even find someone is there because he's still figuring out what to post next. In this video, I would love to put a disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm giving you what I've tried and has worked. So I'm giving you from my experience. If you feel you're a creator out there, you can do it. If you know you have been also rounding around looking for content, when you have already old content, please also stick around. Let's get started. But before we get started, I would love to appreciate every subscriber that just came to our channel. You guys, our channels, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all, you're so much welcome. Your seats are open and we've been waiting for you. And to you, our best fans and our royal viewers, you're so, I don't know what I can give you, but you know I love you so much. I'll continue loving you even if you're there and you're just a secret viewer. We love you too. Let's get started and see how we can earn $200 from, or even more than that, from repurposed content. Me, I earned $200 in 4 days from repurposed content, but you can also get yours. One, we need to know exactly what is repurposed content. Repurposing content simply means taking one piece of content and turning it into multiple formats to reach a wider audience instead of creating new content every time. You reuse, you repackage, and even you redistribute it to different platforms. If you go to my videos, you'll find out that there is two or one of the topic, like for example, the topic on WhatsApp, then two, the topic on making money with the Bible. They have been repeated several times. This is what we call repurposing content. Also, you'll find this video, most of my videos, you'll find it on TikTok, you'll find it in blogs, and even in different formats, in form of reels and even in form of shorts. So this is what we call repurposed content. Now let me break for you exactly what are examples of repurposed content. For example, a YouTube video can be turned into shorts and reels. If we talk of shorts and reels, you just distribute it to different platform. Like shorts will be on YouTube, reels will be on Instagram and TikTok or Facebook. Then you can even turn it into a blog post for CEO traffic. You can also turn it into a podcast episode for audio listeners. You can also turn it into an infographic for Pinterest and LinkedIn. You guys, there is no excuse for you not to make money because you don't have content. The best part, people, here is you don't need to work. You just don't need to work multiple times. You need to work only once and make money in multiple times. Can you believe that? Once, but earn differently. Then the second segment of this video, we're going to talk about my $200 repurposed content idea. I called it my $200 because it gave me 200 by the time I made this video, but you never know, by the time you're going to watch this video, it will be more than that. So I recently tried motivational quotes video strategy, and it made over $200 in just 4 days. This motivation quote video, it was both motivational and at the same time it was making money online. So it was two-way. I can put it in 2 ways. Here is how it worked. I had a video idea. This video idea took a viral motivation speeches from copyright-free sources and even licensed content that I added. 2, I did not put any inspirational background music. I put my own my own music. By the way, I made this music from suno.oi. That's what I used. Then I added even some stock photos from different platforms like free pixels, which are free, and even Pixabay. I used also captions with bold text and animation. This was so simple that I did just like this. Then I uploaded it. It was around 8 to 10. These two videos around, as you can see on the screen, they are around, I think, 10 to 12 or 13. One on the Bible, and another one is on it is on what? It is on WhatsApp. So what were the results? The long form video started getting AdSense revenue, while the shorts brought in views, and even they brought in also some revenue. They even brought in subscribers. Then for the blogs on Facebook, they brought for me also money, and at the same time they brought for me traffic to YouTube. Then the third step, we're going to see steps to make money with repurposed content. Here is the exact process you can follow. One, you find a high demand content niche. Like already, let me hope that you have already your niche. What you do, you need to go and look for, either you can use your own video. Me, I always prefer people to use their own video, but if you want, you can go ahead and use a motivational video somewhere that is high demanded, that is there. You can even use business and financial tips. You can use yours, or you can use for somebody. Productivity hacks also, they are very highly demanded. Then you can also go ahead and use health and fitness content. If you look at what the tips I'm giving you, these are the highest demanded niches, by the way, that are being paid by as far as CPM is concerned. But if you know you are not in, if you know you are one of them, like in these niches like mine, you can go and look for your own video that is highly demanded, that has gone viral. You repurpose it, you make it in different ways. But if you're in other like you're in other niches like vlogs and travels, you can go and search for a video that is viral, that is highly demanded, and make it, you make it yours. You look for what to do, as I showed you in the cluster 2 up above. When you post it, it will be repurposed. You can even go ahead and turn it into blogs and put it into different platforms. The second step under this, how to make repurposed content, you are going to correct or create your own main content. Use your own content to find corporate free clips and speeches. I always tell you, people, get an idea from somewhere which is on high demand, but make it yours. Then edit using CapCut and Canva. And in the third step of this, you repurpose the content. You turn long form videos into shorts. You extract quotes like what I always do. You upload audios. If you're a person of podcasts, you can go ahead and make podcasts. The step 4 is to monetize these places smartly. How do you monetize them? You enable your AdSense for long videos, even for short videos. You can use affiliate links if you know you're into affiliate marketing. You can even go ahead and promote a digital product course. The fourth requirement here, as far as the first cluster, advantages. Why do I advocate for repurposed content? It has its own advantages, you people, and I discovered it recently. One, it is less, it involves less effort, but it gives you money. Like if you see these videos, the content that I've repurposed, you people, it was easy for me because I had already the idea. I know what to speak, I know what to do. Even if I'm to make faceless content and I put a voiceover, it will be very okay. It's faster growth because repurposing content keeps you active on multiple platforms. Then it gives you more revenue streams, like you can get paid from AdSense, affiliate, and even brand deals. Then it brings high engagement, is on demand, and different audiences prefer different formats. Like if I'm on YouTube or Facebook, I've seen most people now prefer text, and like some other days they used to prefer reels. Now that I've given you all this, you guys, let me sign out. What do you think? Can you make money out of your purpose content, the content that has been viral. Please go ahead and let me know if you can. See you in another video. Bye bye.